All right, friends, I'm gonna give you one last tour before I leave the open house. So you can either come up from the elevator or there's the stairs here. This is Thomas Drive right here. This street is Bonita. And right over here, this is Tarpon. Alibis is a little bit that way to the right, going more east. Going more west, you've got Miss Newby's right down here. So you could come up through the elevator or the stairs. We got this beautiful kitchen with really nice appliances. You've got a dining area. Some really high ceilings with some beautiful beams. You've got a utility closet. You've got a washer and dryer. You've got a bathroom right here and its own private bedroom. You got a door you can go right in. And then you've got your living area with your beautiful Gulf views. Got the ambiance going. Got your fireplace. And this would be your main bedroom here. Also got Gulf views right here. All the way. Got a nice big tub and a really nice large shower. Got 2 sinks, bathroom. And then on the other side, you've got your other 2 bedrooms. And this has a Jack and Jill shared bathroom. So if you had some friends or the kids and you wanted to be close, you've got this one right here. And the other one, you've obviously got your privacy. So you've got 2 sinks in here as well. You've got a nice big shower. And going right in to the next bedroom, right here. And yeah, that's just a little quick under 5-minute tour. 8515 Surf Drive, Unit 1 on the top floor. It's the only one that's going to have these really high ceilings here because it's on the top. Really, really nice. So I was showing open houses here all weekend, but I would love to give you a private tour. Just give me a call, 850-775-7885.